You know, I want to do my due diligence. I want to do my research. I want to be careful because I do have a relaxer in my hair. So I don't want to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff to it and then we back to square one. Welcome back, Savvies. That's everybody who has joined the collective. Hello. And newbies, that's everybody who's been peeking in, maybe once or twice, and seeing what the collective is talking about. Hello to you too. It really doesn't matter which category you fall under. I just want everybody, that's my subs and my noobs, to come on in. Okay, so today we already know what's going on. We already know what's about to go down. Today we are going to do a length check. Okay, length and hair check in. And around these parts, just in case you are a newbie, a very fresh one-time newbie, meaning this is your first time peeking in, or second, or third. We like to check our hair every 4 weeks around here. I relax my hair so I like to check on the day that I relax, as well as 4 weeks later. That way I am able to address anything that I see or that I may see that is going awry, whether it be split ends, whether it be, I don't know, anything. You know, I can address it and make sure that it does not go any further, that it does not bloom into something else. So that's what we like to do around here. That's basically our schedule around here. So without further ado, we are going to first, check in as far as the products. You guys already know I'm doing the same old products, just same old products, because I already have my day ones. I have everything that I need to sort of push me through my journey and help my hair along the way. I wash, condition, and flat iron it once a week. Okay, so I have a weekly schedule of washing, and I've been using all of my products. Everything that you guys know about, that's what I'm using. So there's nothing new there. So with that being said, I know that not too long ago I said I was going to look into color. I wanted to zhuzh up, put a little splash of color in my hair. So I'm still looking out for that. I'm still doing my due diligence as far as looking into different products. I want to look at a professional as well. I'm not too familiar with this area where I am right now as far as salons and everything, because I haven't been to a salon in a very, very long time. I mean, we're talking years, okay? We're talking years. And I am a kitchen beautician. And ever since I earned my certificate, I've just been doing my own, DIY up in this piece. So I haven't really had the need to seek out a professional. But like I said, if I go really deep with this color, as far as something that is brighter or something that's more intense, I'll say maybe labor intensive instead of a rinse, then I'm going to seek a professional for that. But I think I'm going to take baby steps. I think I'm going to do a rinse at first, okay, or like a semi-permanent or something like that, something I can probably do myself, and then sort of work my way up to anything more intense or intensive as far as labor intensive. But I just want to, inform you guys that I am looking into it. I want to do my due diligence. I want to do my research. I want to be careful because I do have a relaxer in my hair. So I don't want to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff to it and then we back to square one, because we're not doing that. We've come a long way and we're not doing that. We're not going backwards. We're going forwards. We're not going backwards. We're going forwards. So with that being said, I'm still looking into a couple things, but I have something in mind. Something that I used in the past, so I may bring it into the present. So there's that. With that being said, honey, we are going to get right to the meat and potatoes of this video. We're not messing around. So just a little backstory. I just wanted to let you guys know, if my hair looks a little flat, I washed my little papoose, okay, my little dog, one of my little dogs last night, and I was going to wrap it up, because sometimes, they splash and they don't like to get wet and all this other stuff. They like to get you wet, but they don't like to be wet. Well, honey, he done splash and this and that. I left my hair out and I'm scrubbing him and doing whatever. And so the humidity from being in the bathroom and him shaking and this and that sort of flattened out my bangs here. And with me only using heat once a week, and me keeping to that, I did not bump them. I did not zhuzh them up for this video. Everything is as is. So with that being said, if they look a little flatter and a little, that's what happened. So without further ado and with no more delay, honey, we are going to get to the popcorn and soda of the video, which is basically, I'm going to show you my hair, show you what I'm working with as far as the length is concerned, and just see how everything is progressing on top of my head. So we're going to cue the music and we're going to get right to it. So here we go. Okay, guys. All right. Did y'all see that static clean? Did y'all see that static in my hair? I mean, today it's not my personal hair best, It's a little flat all around, and I got static in my hair, so it was sitting up and flying away and this and that, and it's okay. Everything's okay. But the good news is that we're marching past bra strap straight. Okay, so when we last checked, I think I told you I had just one toe off the curb, and that was the big toe, because the big toe on most of us is the longest. Now, I can't speak for anybody else, but we just going to go by the norm. We just going to go by, the average person, the big toe is the longest. So the big toe of my hair was off of the curb, just touching we trying to get off Broad Stripe Street and get to mid-back lane. That's our goal, mid-back. So with that being said, honey, did you see what was going on back there? Did you see that I got two toes. I got two toes off the curb of Broad Stripe Street. I don't know if y'all saw that, but it's about two toes right now. So we are getting off the curb and we are going into the street, and we get in the mid-back. So for me, mid-back with this particular equipment, this bra, I would say that I need about an inch or two. I would say about maybe 2 inches. I would say about an inch, maybe an inch more, an inch past the Broad Stripe Street. That's on me, on my body, and with my bra, judging from that equipment, I think it would be about an inch more, about an inch or two more. So hopefully very soon, we're going to have a little celebration about reaching mid-back lane. So on me, I think that's about an inch and a half or whatever. It's okay. It's coming up. That's the whole point. So we're going to forget about all the static cling and everything sticking up and looking crazy, because we are getting a length together. Okay, so the health is there. Now the length is coming, and we're very happy about that. So with that being said, I done checked in with my locks, with my hair. I done showed you what I am working with and how we are progressing over here. But that's enough about me. My time is up. It is time for you. And anybody who wants to come to the floor, you already know. Or maybe you don't. Let me just make it plain for you. It is roll call time. Roll call time. Yes, indeedy, we have come to the part of our program where it is time to have an open mic and lay it all out for anyone who wants to come forward and let us know what is going on with your curls or your relaxed hair, or maybe a combination of both. Because over here, both relaxed and naturals, we're all one hair community, and we all like to share what is going on. For those who want to vocalize, come forward, please, and let us all know down below how everything is going. As far as your hair life, give us the details, honey, because we are ready. Did you try something new? Did you get a new haircut? Are you now going to professional because you figure, hey, I need some help with my do? There was a couple of you that were going through under-processed hair, so you can let me know how that's progressing as far as, maybe the steps that you're taking to get your hair back to its proper state. So don't be shy unless you're shy, and then that's okay. It's okay. If you don't want to say nothing, you just don't want to make a peep, that's okay. But for everybody else who wants to to the mountaintops, come on and let us all know down below. I'd love to read it, as well as everybody else in the collective. So share and share away. So we done our altar call, and it is now time for us to skedoodle or skedaddle or get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Y'all already know I got some more stuff on the way, so you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.